Goa is a land shaped by water. From forested hills to winding rivers, from red soil fields to the open sea. Water flows through every part of life. Each year, the monsoon arrives like a promise. Clouds gather, rain falls, rivers rise, and the land breathes again. For a few precious months, nature gives abundantly. But when the rains pause, when clouds drift away too soon, the silence of dry riverbeds is felt deeply, in homes, in farms, and in everyday life. In Goa, water is not just a resource. It is balance, it is security, and it is our shared responsibility. The proposed barrage and raw water augmentation project at Mirabag is designed to strengthen water security for South Goa. This project is designed to secure that balance, protect surrounding areas from flooding, and support sustainable development. The proposed barrage stores water in the Zuari River and transfers it through a pumping and pipeline system to nearby areas. This infrastructure supports drinking water supply, irrigation, and local water treatment plants, ensuring reliable water availability for surrounding communities. Water will be transported from the barrage at Mirabag to the Moisal Dam. Out of the total 50 million litres per day capacity, 5 million litres per day of raw water and 5 million litres per day of treated water will be supplied to Mirabag and nearby areas. In addition, 10 MLD of treated water will be provided to the village of Savarde for drinking purposes. Overall, a total of 20 MLD of water will directly benefit Mirabag, Savarde, and the surrounding areas, significantly strengthening local water security. Goa receives abundant rainfall during the monsoon, but this rain is concentrated within a short season. For the rest of the year, daily life depends on how well water is stored and how carefully it is managed. With increasing population, growing water needs, and agricultural activities, seasonal rainfall alone is no longer sufficient. When monsoons are delayed or weak, the impact is felt immediately. Drinking water supply becomes uncertain, agriculture suffers, and normal public life is affected. During 2022 and 2023, Goa faced one of the most severe drought-like situations in the last 20 years. Major reservoirs reached critically low levels, and two important dams, Anjunem and Moisal, went completely dry. As a result, Panchwadi water treatment plant had to stop operations for over a month due to lack of raw water. Areas such as Savarde, Dhade, and surrounding villages experienced serious water shortages, and water supply from other treatment plants had to be reduced. To prevent such situations in the future, the government of Goa initiated long-term measures to strengthen water storage and ensure dependable supply throughout the year. The focus shifted from depending only on rainfall to storing available water more efficiently and more safely. Moisal Dam is entirely rain-fed. To support it, the Zuari River, the nearest reliable source, was identified for augmentation. A barrage is proposed across the Zuari River at Mirabag. This structure will gently store fresh water upstream, forming a controlled water pool without causing flooding. Importantly, special retaining walls and site protection structures will be constructed along the upstream banks. These ensure that even during storage, water remains safely within the river channel and does not affect nearby lands or settlements. From the stored water, a pumping station will lift raw water throughout the year and convey it through a pipeline to Moisal Dam, strengthening its storage and ensuring uninterrupted supply to the water treatment plant. The barrage is designed to maintain balance both upstream and downstream. Upstream, it improves freshwater storage and groundwater recharge. Downstream, controlled releases maintain natural river flow and support agriculture. Additional design measures prevent salt water from entering the freshwater zone, improving groundwater quality and protecting river health. Water is the lifeline of every community. By strengthening our rivers and water systems today, We build resilience for tomorrow. A step forward in protecting Goa's natural resources, supporting its people, securing water for South Goa today and for future generations. Similarly, the government of Goa has also constructed barrages across Khandepar River, Karne River and Shapura River in the North Goa.